Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to the another application. And as can you see here, we got the new our home screen folder. We can just add here more applications by the same way. Just hold it and drag it to this folder, or also here when you just tap once on the folder, you'll see the plus icon. Just tap there and just you can select some applications what you can add, which you can add to our folder just by tap once on this on the left upper corner on this checkbox. You'll see the select icon, and now for example we'll add these three from the 29 applications, and now just tap to done, and as can you see we got here three more applications. Here we can just change the name of our app. For example, I'll enter the apps, tap here to done, and as can you see we just successfully changed our folder's name. Sure, we can just hold for a while and drag this folder here on our screen to change the position, or also if you want to just move this folder to another screen, just by the same way, hold it for a while and drag it, for example, to the home screen. And if you want to just remove some applications or just one application from the folder, just hold it and you can just drag it here to our screen, or if you want you can just hold it and tap here to remove icon, and this app will remove only from our screens, but this application will stay here on our apps menu. Don't worry about it. Or if you want, sure, you can just by this way just hold it and drag it here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.